This is a 2013 Chevy Equinox, and we're replacing the cabin air filter. The cabin air filter is located behind the glove box. First thing we have to do is remove our glove box. Get it down that far. And then we have to push this stop up right here so it goes by the box, just like that. So now that we got the box in that configuration right there, we can just pull it and it will come right off, just like that. This is the door to the cabin air filter right here. There are two little latches right here that we have to pull up on. Like that. And now the door can open up and you can see the cabin air filter right there. Can be a little tough to remove, so I'm using a hook tool here to grab the filter and start it out like that. And once we have it out a little bit, we can just pull it out the rest of the way, just like that. And there's our cabin air filter. Now to replace it, all we have to do is put it back in the same way we took it out. The sides of it are more rigid than the middle. Okay. It's easier when you have two hands than one, but we'll get it. And there's the filter all in. So all we have to do now is latch the door. 1, 2. Okay, she's all in. Next thing we have to do is to replace the glove box. These little hook areas right here on the glove box go right into these pieces right here. And you'll just snap it in place. We're gonna line it up. There it is. The glove box is all snapped in place, and it'll go by the stop like that, and then she's closed. Everything is back together. So that's all there is to replacing your cabin air filter on your Chevy Equinox.